So today it is morning time, and today I and my father we have a plan for going to Dhubri, and I will show you our journey, how we will go there, and what is the process of going to there. So for this reason, early morning we come to our shop and we open our shop and we are waiting for a bus or car, because nowadays this place from where we will go to Dhubri, so this place is so far from our shop place due to Brahmaputra river. So for this reason, we reached in a bus station, and from there we also raised this ghat. It is called Zoleshwar Launch Ghat, and there we are waiting. But today lunch is going to when the time 9 o'clock. But we are businessmen and we are going for due to business. And when we will go there so fast, then we will find a more time, and there we will work. So you can say this is the life, and that type of bus, that type of boat we are using. So actually it is called lawns, and there you can see the people. And there is a lots of people, not a one or two. It is a very big, and it is so heavy and strong. It is called lawns in our local area, and it is called in English language big size of boat. And nowadays the water color is totally as like a green. That's mean there is no sand, and it is totally Brahmaputra river. And now inside of Brahmaputra river we are going through the boat, and you can say, and somewhere also big ship also they are working. And you can ask what is the work of this ship. So actually this ship for making a hole and making digging the Brahmaputra river. And when there is not a much more water, and there is a not a much more water, for this reason they are cutting the sand of Brahmaputra river. And if they don't cut the sand of river, so it is not possible for us to go there through the boat, because there is no water, and it is the autumn season, there is no rain, and due to lack of rain there is no water. And more 2-3 months we have to bear this problem. And where is so less water, and government of India they are working and they are cutting due to solve the problem of traveler, because there is only one way we can continue our business. So when we are going, that time I was also try to shoot and try to give you a natural environment, the lifestyle of Brahmaputra river. And you can see through this video how people use and what type of boat people use for crossing the Brahmaputra river. But everywhere you are just looking sand and sand. But after 3 months, you will not see anywhere sand. Just you will see water, and water as like a sea. And you can see another this sheep also for same work, and they also cutting sand. Minimum 4 or 5 that type of sheep they are working. Really it is the big hand of government of India. They are helping people, because government of India always they are ready to serve the people and serve the nation. Really for that I also try to appreciate the. And it is also another a boat, and in a small boat lots of people they are going. And sometime it is very tricky also, because there is a danger problem also. Sometime unexpectedly wind come, and that time we had to face the problem. And sometime also boat go to inside of water. Only few years ago same type of one boat also sink in the river, and around 135 people died in 2011. Really, it was the common problem in the Brahmaputra river. Sometime we face that type of problem, but it is not regularly, it is occasionally. Sometime due to winter, sometime due to weather problem, because anytime any accident can happen. But we should to wear raincoat, and inside of boat lots of raincoat also available, and that all are provided. And I brought sweat, and now I am eating. Please comment.